Welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to hide caller ID on iPhone. If you have been trying to hide your caller ID or you have been trying to call somebody and you do not want that person to know that it's you calling, I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually hide your caller ID presently now on iPhone. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to your settings on your iPhone. So let's go to the settings on my iPhone. Once you get to the settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down, scroll to the extreme bottom. So once you scroll down, actually, you're going to see apps over there. I want you to tap on that apps. So once you tap on the apps, the next thing I want you to do, if you check the upper top, you're going to see a search bar over there. I want you to tap on that search. Once you tap on that search, I want you to type in phone over there. Phone. Let's just type in phone. Once you tap on phone, it will bring out the phone store for you. I want you to tap on that phone. So once you tap on the phone, I want you to scroll down, scroll all the way down. Once you scroll all the way down, you are going to see something over here, show my caller ID. I want you to tap on that show my caller ID. So once you tap on that show my caller ID, it's going to bring out this page for you. As you can see, my show my caller ID is turned on. This means whenever I call anybody, it is going to display to them that I'm the person calling. But if you don't want them to see, or you don't want them to actually know that it is you calling, you want to call them privately, what you're going to do is, as this thing is turned on, you're going to tap on it and turn it off. As you can see, we have successfully turned this off. This means we have successfully hide or turn off our caller ID on iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually turn off or hide your caller ID on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.